Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper squishy. So this video has been requested a lot since a lot of you liked my paper squishy, so I'm going to be showing you how to make a 3D paper squishy very slow rising. Okay, so let's start with the things we need. We'll need paper, a pencil, tape, colors, and that's it. And if you don't know what I'm going to be making a Welch's citrus medley flavor, and I'm going to add it to my Welch's series. These are what I have so far. So I'm going to be explaining everything in detail, but I'll try to not take a lot of time since I don't want the video to be very long. So I'm going to be sketching out my drawing and then I'm going to come back. Alright, so I'm done with the sketch, and I know it looks a little messy and undetailed, but once I start coloring it's going to be good. I'm going to be doing an ASMR speed coloring, so enjoy that. I forgot to draw the lines. I'll draw the lines first and then I'll do the ASMR. Okay, so I'm done doing the lines. So now I'm going to be coloring, so enjoy that. I'm going to be putting some music in the background, so... Okay, so now I'm done coloring. I'm done with the nutritional information. So now I'm going to be coloring those fruit snacks. I forgot them. And afterwards I'm going to be laminating it. So yeah, just stay tuned for that, because I have a really good way that you can use, which will help you so much. I'm done with the full design. I'm done drawing, I'm done coloring, I'm done with everything. I'm pretty sure because I always miss some stuff, like some little detail, or like I forget to color a part or something. But if you spot any of those, please comment down below so I can be triggered. Okay, so now I'm going to be laminating it finally using this tape. I recommend large tape, or if you have laminating paper, that'd be much better, which I have, but I choose not to use. I don't know why. Okay, so the best way to laminate, which is the good way, is by doing it across like this instead of like this, since it's gonna save you so much time. If you already do that, then good job. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm done cutting it out and laminating it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to be folding the edges. Just like you're gonna see, I'm gonna do it in speed. Okay, so I'm done folding it. Now I'm going to be just taping the edges, just like you'll see right now. Now that I'm done coloring and laminating and turning it into that box shape, I'm going to be using some stuffing to fill it up. So what I use for stuffing are these like clear plastic bags. So I'm going to be stuffing it, and then I'm going to be showing you the final product. Okay, now that I'm done stuffing it, I'm just going to be taping the remaining sides, and it's going to be complete. I'm going to be showing the final product in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it's very slow rising and squishy, and the design is nice. So now I have 3 of my voucher series, and there they are. Okay, now that's it for this video, guys. Please subscribe and watch one of my other videos. So if you like this video or you think that it benefit you, then can you please press the like button, and peace.